type of war. There is ballistic missile wars, and there is different assets. So that's why we want to recruit the best thing, so that we can also fight very well with the USA, China, and different other upcoming countries. And except the defending our border, we are playing different role in the civil also. Like if there is a flood, Indian Army has been called. If there is any calamity, Indian Army is being called. If there is a riot, Indian Army is being called. So, except defending the border, we are doing different things. Whenever there is a requirement, government calls us that please come and do the job, like maintaining the peace, maintaining the system, law and order. So that's why we are here, and we want to encourage just to join the Indian Army. We are playing a different role. Even we are doing this thing in UN countries also as a UN keeping army, like in African country, like in Afghanistan and Sudan, Congo, football, different countries. This is all about the army, and how you can take an entry in the army. My colleague Sudha will suggest tell you. So,
मैं सूबेदार मेजर सज्जन सिंह आर्मी रिक्रूटिंग ऑफिस नारंग मेरी तरफ से सभी को गुड आफ्टरनून। थैंक यू। आर्मी के अंदर दो तरीके से एंट्री हो सकते हैं। फर्स्टली जवान में, तो मैं फर्स्टली बताऊंगा जवान एंट्री करने के लिए उसकी क्वालिफिकेशन क्या होना चाहिए, उसका एज कितना होना चाहिए। तो जवान के लिए नॉर्मल एंट्री 10th पास सिंपल, उसके बाद उसका 17.5 ईयर से लेके 23 ईयर्स तक उसका एज होगा। उसका कुछ ग्राउंड के अंदर कुछ फिजिकल्स होता है, 1.6 किलोमीटर रन होता है। उसके बाद उसके पुशअप और मेडिकली प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, और वो मेडिकल होता है तो ओके। उसके बाद जवान के अंदर 4 से 5 ट्रेड्स कैटेगरी होती है। टेक्निकल ट्रेड, नर्सिंग असिस्टेंट और क्लरिकल के लिए इनकी अलग अलग क्वालिफिकेशन। टेक्निकल एंट्रीज होता है, उसके लिए 10% पास होना चाहिए। नॉर्मल 40% एवरेज सब्जेक्ट, 50% एवरेज। पीसीएम फिजिक्स, मैथ, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री कंपलसरी। टेक्निकल ट्रेड, क्लरिकल के लिए इंग्लिश कंपलसरी है, आप स्टूडेंट भी हो सकता है, और ओरल 50% है। उसके बाद नर्सिंग असिस्टेंट बायो कंपलसरी है, 10+ पास होगा। नॉर्मल ऑफिसर्स के लिए आप ऑफिसर्स में एक तो एनडीए के थ्रू जा सकते हो, जो एनडीए का अपना एग्जाम देंगे उसमें पास होगा। उसके बाद असिस्टेंट में क्लियर हो जाएगा। उसके बाद 4 साल का उनका आईएम में ट्रेनिंग होगा, ठीक है। उसके बाद आप बीटेक के बाद भी ऑफिसर्स के लिए एंट्री कर सकते हो। बीटेक करने के बाद 1 ईयर का ओपी में ट्रेनिंग होगा, बाकी डायरेक्ट नौकरी होगा। उसके बाद कुछ ऐसा शॉर्ट सर्विस सिलेक्शन भी होता है, वो मिनिमम 5 ईयर्स, उसके बाद फिर 5 ईयर एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो, ठीक है। अगर आपको पसंद नहीं है तो 5 ईयर के बाद आप आर्मी छोड़ सकते हो। ये है नॉर्मली।
जैसा आपने बताया, 2 टाइप की एंट्री होती है, एक शॉर्ट सर्विस कमीशन और एक रेगुलर एंट्री। Regular entry is for 15 to 20 years, and then you will get a pension. But if you don't want to join army for a long term, you can join as a short service person also, as a 5 years of service. It's not mandatory that even only the boys can join, even the girls can also join. They can join for 5 years, they can extend for 5 years, or they can quit. Except the army, you can continue your studies. After 10+, if you join, you don't think that your studies will not continue. Army will give you the opportunity to complete your graduation, to do your post-graduation also. Like if somebody wants to do a graduation in electronics and communication, he can continue. And after that, if you want to get post-graduation degree like MTech, we give an opportunity to complete your MTech from good institute like IIT. So you can continue your studies and you can join. You can carry on serving the army also. And when you join the army, after 2 years you get a stipend 8,000 per month. And when you become a member of army, like after your education, then you will start getting the officer rank payment, and it's a very good one. Nowadays you are being paid a handsome salary. Except the salary, you get so many other facilities like canteen facilities, in which you get about 20% subsidized rates, and after canteen there is a free medical facilities to you and your parents. Then, except this one, you can have a visit to anywhere in India once in a year, free of cost. Plus, you get subsidized rates to travel in even in air, by road, or by train. And except all these things, if anybody is a sportsman and he wants to join the army, Indian Army always encourage the sportsman. Like you have heard so many other names who is from Indian Army. Somebody will quote some name. Any sportsman from Indian Army? Yeah, quote. Any other in the recent years?
Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore.
As he has told, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. And who? What about this recent Olympian?
Abhinav Bindra.
Mr. Vijay Kumar, as he has told. So they are different sportsmen. And except this one, they adventure things. Paragliding, scuba diving, skydiving. There's so many adventures, mountaineering, walking. Okay. Whatever if you are interested, then you will go to the higher side. Or if you are not interested, you can continue as a Indian Army officer. So there are so many benefits. But I will not say look to the benefits you join army. You join army as an Indian, as a moral postaf, you just wear this uniform. Because if Indian Army is doing right, that's why you are able to sleep in your house in night calmly and sleeping. So that's all about the Indian Army and how you can join. If any woman get a query, just please ask me. अगर किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है, कोई क्वेरी है, no question. I just told you that it's not a regular class, so you can be happy to ask. Just please feel free to ask any question about the army. Okay, just answer me one question. Who is the chief of army staff? Chief of army staff. No one knows? General Vikram Singh. Many times, I think everyone will have it. Television in home, they the news, and everyone will be hearing his name. But you don't know.